Welcome, today I've with me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should scroll to the biometrics and security. Then we should scroll down to other security settings and to up here to set up SIM card lock. Now just to lock a SIM card with SIM pin on our Samsung Galaxy device, we should click once on the switcher and enter the password. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. And then just tap here to OK, and that's it. Now our SIM card successfully locked with PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.